Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back. So in today's video, I'm actually going to do a hairstyle with you, and today's hairstyle is inspired by Bella Hadid. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to start is I'm going to wet my roots with some water. I want this hairstyle to be really slicked back like Bella's. So if you have a high density hair, this is just a tip that I have for you. If your hair is not high density and if you have maybe medium density or low density, you can go straight away and just do like a high ponytail on your hair. So as you see, I kind of split my hair in half. The reason I like doing this is because it makes the hairstyle look more slicked down. You're gonna see. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to use some of this fragrance-free shine gel from Curlsmith. This is honestly my favorite gel to do slick down hairstyles. It gives me no flakes and it like makes my hair so slick. This is the brush I'm going to be using. It's from Bounce Curl. I'll make sure to put it down below. But this like makes your hair so sleek and it just puts everything down so well. As you see, I did my first ponytail here, so now I'm going to move on to the second. So before we move on to like tying this up and applying gel, I'm going to part this down the middle like Bella. She usually has that classic middle part, and we're just going to take some of my bang area and I'm going to clip this to the side. If you don't have bangs, you can just take like the long parts of your hair, like just a little bit, and just keep that to the side. As you see, I did a middle part and just make sure it's really straight. I like to use one of these, I think they're called fishtail combs, I don't know, but it just like really helps to make everything straight. Okay, so let me show you the reason why I do that first ponytail. It's because you see, I'm slicking it down and it's going down so nicely and getting so flat. When I don't do this and I kind of just do all my hair and try to put it up into a ponytail, you see so many bumps. Since I have so much hair, it's so hard to like slick it down. So this is just a little hack for you. My fingers and just kind of help with like any gap that I see just to make it more sleek. So now you see that I have two ponytail, one that's high and one that's a little bit lower. So I'm going to use a hair tie now and I'm going to join both of these together and just tie it. I'm going to like brush this back, and you know that like little part that Bella has in the front, I'm going to do it like that and I'm going to pin it down with some bobby pins. Okay, as you see, I just like pinned everything down. So I took more gel and I'm going to add some water to my hand. I'm just going to add more gel to the front here. And I'm going to brush everything down a little bit more. Literally just take as many bobby pins as you need to kind of make this go down, especially if you have bangs, because it's just going to be a lot harder to kind of sleek it down and make it stay, because it's not going to like reach your ponytail so you can like tie it right. So this is what we're doing now. We kind of want to hide the bobby pins that we used here, especially if you have bangs. So I'm just going to take some of this hair from the ponytail, not all of it. I'm going to be leaving some of it out, and I'm going to be crisscrossing this like this and kind of just make it like really big and bulky, and then we're going to be tying that and I'll show you. Something like this, a little bit messy, not perfect, and we're going to take some of these hairs out and just like stick it out and make it look really cute to like the front. And just like that, the hairstyle is done. This is how it came out. I feel like this kind of gave my face like a facelift too, because it looks so like snatched up here. But I love how this hairstyle came out. By the way, this is day 8 hair, so it looks crazy. It's dirty. I think this is like a perfect hairstyle to do on your hair when it's dirty and when you don't know what to do. I find that it also makes things look kind of like fancy and elegant. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If this video was helpful and you want to see more hairstyle videos, then please give this video a thumbs up and let me know if you've tried this hairstyle, because I know it's gone like viral on TikTok and Instagram, and a lot of people just love Bella Hadid. She's so gorgeous. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.